All right, so here we are, Derrick Knob. This time I opted to stay in the shelter.
I'll hold out until it's bad. And so we got there, and I was in so much pain I couldn't move. I couldn't get out of the car. And they were,
I do have to say it was rather quite cozy and warm. Thank goodness. Oh, lucky horseshoe.
they came back and they were like, the hospital.
And here's the inside. Yeah, this is a shelter definitely made for cold weather. The bench right here. Oh boy. Yeah. Alrighty, well, that covers this shelter for memories. It's off to Klingman's Dome. 200 miles in less than a month. And hey, that's great news. Great way to get started. All right, catch you on the next one.